is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Talks about niggas Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? You hit the like, you hit the subscribe. Every day talking about going on a ride, going to the moon, and going soon. Wall Street. Hope everyone is having a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. Enjoy. Please be safe, as a lot of us do stupid stuff, but you come on here to hit the like and subscribe, which is not so dumb. Come on over. We talk about the crypto news every single day we come on. Here it is. Stepn. I've got a couple things to talk about. What I believe is going to happen in the next 18 months, as Mr. Emerald Green and I have been talking about. We got green tools in the house. What's going on? We already know. Hit that like and subscribe. We ain't got to tell you. Stepn to block mainland China users to comply with regulatory policies. Big news here, but what is it going to do? Probably already tank it like it did. Non-fungible token, Game Stepn, will ban users in mainland China in an attempt to follow Chinese regulatory requirements. On July 15th, Stepn will clear all accounts based in mainland China for local compliance reasons. Before then, the platform advised users who plan to reside in mainland China long-term to sell their assets on platform if possible. So this will affect the price. The company's uncertainty has been fueled by rumors that it will be forced to leave the mainland China. Stepn is a popular move to earn game based on Solana and the BNB chain that was created by two Chinese immigrants now living in Australia. Well, what is Stepn? We're going to talk a little bit about it right now as quickly as we can. I want people to get a little better understanding of what we're getting into, right? We talk about it. It's a decentralized financial payment system recently launched on Binance Launchpad as Stepn, GMT. There is two kind. There's another one, which is also the exercise, and they pay you to walk, they pay you to exercise, which is just kind of out of control because I know many few who do so, just like that, little exercises. The Stepn ecosystem runs on a dual token, as I was just speaking of, economy model which is mainly due to the need for fundraising and utility. In this case, which every cryptocurrency, if you ask me, is based upon. That's the only way for it to survive, to have a utility behind it. There are two tokens that are both available for users to earn through different methods, right? There's a few. What will be the most successful Web3 crypto tokens in 2022? The price of GMT token has risen by more than 2,500% in recent months, making it one of the most successful Web3 crypto tokens in 2022. But remember, nothing in crypto is certain. We already know that. But we're talking about Stepn, if anyone's interested. Web 0.30, all while stimulously hinging on its social fi aspect to build a long-lasting platform fostering user-generated Web 3.0 consistency. So that's the one. The other one is for your health. You can check it out, learn more about it. A move to earn health and fitness application. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is real. I don't believe none of it either, but it's my first time really going over and explaining it to our followers, so I want you to understand. Stepn is going to make some moves. I do believe in it. Here is one of the charts as we go into it. This is what we're going to do from now on. We're going to go over some of the news, then we're going to go over it in the chart, talk about it. Let me know if you like this new situation here, this new little plan setup. Seems like every time we hit the 151, which is the EMA top here, and it's hard for you to see, so I'll zoom in, we're getting rejected. Big time rejection. Went from the top of the EMA. Now we're hitting the ribbon below it. Huge, massive rejection. Getting a double bottom M. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm hating to say this, but daily candle below the price, and we've been speaking about this on my channel like a Nazi before we go back to Stepn and why. Look at this. Getting scary. We're finishing a daily candle below the price of the 28.9, 28.8, as I was saying. Please hit the like and subscribe. This is very important, as I believe we're going to go into the next 18 months. And let me get my face in here because I think it's very important. Show yourself, right? Show yourself, and I'm here. Wall Street Pete, as I look into your eyes and as everyone is watching. I think we're going to have 18 more months until this halving comes through and then gets us back into the bull run of where we should be on Bitcoin, which is something similar to a move like that. And we're all excited for that, right? 69,000. Everybody's here on this channel to hear about when that may be coming, how we could get to 50,000, how 37,000 is the most important number when we get past all this mess, but I don't believe it's going to happen, unfortunately. After today and after this last week here, I have some bad news to basically tell everyone, and this is the warning before I actually go into it. But I believe we're going to come down in this low 20,000 area, and a lot of people don't understand. You just got to accumulate point of max pain. That's what we're going to be developing. Blockchain is a solution to so many things in this world, so you do have to understand why we're here. It's not going anywhere. Blockchain, as we are over here working harder than a stripper for you, we have much more news and much more things to talk about right now. We are still succeeding. We are still finding a way on this chart, if you pay attention, definitely to mention. Right, 28.9 is still holding strong on a finish. 1 day and 13 hours. It will be Sunday, Eastern time. We'll find out. What is the weekly candle going to present? Will we get the bounce? Will we talk about where I believe, and I'm telling you right now, I believe this is what's coming. If we can't finish the candle, it's over and over and over and over. We've been talking about it. Finally coming to it. We got the weekly, we got the daily, and it's really hanging by a grasp. So that is Bitcoin. We're going to go back to Stepn in a second. And as you see here, Stepn in the chart, this is my exponential moving average, my ribbon. I said it, I always say, we're getting ribbon tight action here. Volume's coming the hell out. Well, that's already one indicator we're going to continue to fall. Double bottom end pattern could be coming. What could form out of here is if we hold Stepn, and this is what I wanted to talk about before I get onto a new token. This is kind of cool. There's an upward W possibility with the rest of the market to jump, of course. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the support level that we've been hitting, 91 cents. So if you hold Stepn, if you're interested in this sort of thing, altcoins, we're going to go over a few today. Pay attention to that. If we don't get the double bottom end pattern, which is what this is, right there about your 91, you're going to need to hold the daily candle, something here. Otherwise, we're going to proceed to go down. And then, obviously, old support of 84 cents will be broken. So pay attention to that. That's your first confirmation of that, the 91 cents. I do this for everybody. I play the scenario up. I play the scenario down. You can even go 92 cents, but I'm trying to explain to you here, these are the breakers. So once we start breaking through 101, you'll finally find yourself getting somewhere in this realm here, in this range, 127. And if you are at the 92 cents, you're going to see we're going to break through and perhaps 84. I don't want to put too many prices up here. It's kind of annoying. But Stepn is a exercise to earn. I thought it was pretty cool, but these are the levels they're going to take you in the next moment or so. Biconomy. I love talking about Biconomy. Can't stop talking about it. We are getting an upward W, as I said in the last video. I do believe we're getting something to that magnitude. Keep an eye on, excuse me. Keep an eye on to the 70 cents. It's very important. The bands are getting tight. This market, this particular asset has been going sideways for a minute now. I do believe new Terra blockchain go live on May 28th. Old chain will become Terra Classic, as most of us already know. I jump right into it. Key takeaways. The Terra team announced on Twitter earlier today that the new Terra blockchain is expected to launch on Saturday, that is today. The new Terra chain will be mostly the same as the old Terra chain, with an important distinction that it won't have algorithmic stable coins. So we're going to pay attention to that. The other one is classic now, switching over. Today is the 28th, so please pay attention as we should be coming into the time frame here of the 6 a.m. That's good because 8 o'clock Eastern time. The Terra team has announced on Twitter that the new Terra blockchain, also referred to as Terra 2.0, is expected to launch on Saturday, May 28th, today. The new Terra chain will see most of decentralized applications obviously we call them dApps, and blockchain capabilities be migrated from the original to the new chain. So if you're wondering where your Terra Luna wanted to send it, yesterday we said, well, Terra Luna 2.0 is coming. Today it arrives. The community has been working around the clock. So if you want to follow them and get more news and check it out as you follow me, you hit the like and subscribe, you hit the bell, and you hit the all notifications. So when we come to you, it's not just about Bitcoin. We talk about the crypto news. You'll get this. Subject to potentially change, we expect Terra Luna to go live today, 2022, around 6 a.m. UTC. So thought it was exciting news. That's what it was about the Terra Luna information. We're not going to be able to do TA on that, obviously. Ethereum liquidations top 157 million after merge upgrade test hits snag. This is kind of big because we went drop down 7% right after this happened. Nothing you could do. This is part of the market. I believe we can go down much further. I'll do Bitcoin at the end of the video. So when you see Bitcoin, you know we'll be ending soon. As bears circle crypto and traditional markets, Ethereum has faced the brunt of it. Ethereum is currently trading hands at 1770, and yes, it's right about that price right now, down roughly 3.5% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. The bearish trend is in the latest in what has been a rather red week for the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. So we're talking about Ethereum. Now we'll go into the charts for Ethereum. This is what we do. Ethereum has been doing some funky things, falling down to this magnitude, doing double bottom M's, and I don't know when we're going to find it. Showing some old support at the 1800. I remember this time frame. I remember it all the way from here, actually, March 2021. So pay attention to this. The March 2021 gave us a humongous time frame. I'll show you right here in percentage, as we like to do. This was the first big swing that we had seen probably ever. So March 30th, March 29th, and if you look, you could have got 150% on your money, just roughly. Giving you a heads up, giving you an idea of what's to come. Yes, down. Where'd we go? We did down that much, exactly. So pay attention. It's so high, volatile waves, that this is what you're expected. All the way up, all the way down. But what would that give us over some time frame? Would give us a cup and handle, probably to the 240. 2400, I want to say, because I'd rather go there and take some profits. Ladies and gentlemen, we were at 4700 Ethereum, 3000. Listen to me. When in November, when we were $3,000 above Ethereum price, add 3000 to this. We're talking about 2 times significant more of the price. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. So what I'm saying here is this cup and handle coming in. It's 2 levels. It's the 3,000 level or it's the 2,400 level. So we're going to have to find out which one Ethereum will bring us. When will it stop coming down? Well, you already see where this particular cheat sheet is at. I'm going to start calling these some cheat sheets. A lot of people think that Ethereum is cheap now. Well, wait till you get to that 1,400 level. If somebody were to say, what do you think that's going to happen? There's a 50-50 chance we're going there. And some people want to say 100, right? I don't say 100 on crypto because you never know what can happen in crypto. That's why we were here together as a family. We check it out. Every day we hit the like, we hit the subscribe. We talk about Bitcoin and crypto news. A couple things we haven't gone over. Check the Bitcoin fear and greed index today. Funny, when was the last time we talked about the greed part side of things? It's been a very long time. Right now, if you pay attention, definitely to mention we're 25. We were in the single digits, so I guess that is some good news. So take that for what it is worth. Crypto total market cap, we can't keep getting minus 1.20 trillion in the total crypto market cap. I am not expecting anything under 1 trillion, of course, but if it were to happen, it would be catastrophic. A lot of things would go crazy here, but what I'm still seeing in this altcoin, not trying to really pay attention to the total market cap and everything as we're supposed to, right? Bitcoin is still stabilizing, so we're still okay. We're still okay. Looking for this upward W on Bitcoin Ami as we're getting ready to head out. Why I believe Bitcoin, and I'm just trying to go over a couple things. Falling channel here, as you may see. This is what I think we're going to pan out to do. So some of you don't freak out as we're getting ready to go. 25.5. I'm not really happy about it. all the way down to a possible 23,000, in that 20,000 range. I'm wondering if we break a candle below on the weekly, if we break a candle and we can't keep one and hold one here, ladies and gentlemen. As if you look at the weekly, I've been doing nothing but talking about this. I mean, it's as good as it gets. So technical analysis is here to stay. Nothing will change. I'm hoping this ribbon tightens up right about around here, so we do not talk about those prices. I want to talk about some bounces, and perhaps this is the bounce I'm talking about. I want to see that happen. Your first circled price is 37.3. Big believer 37.7. It's one of those prices, but it's in the 37,000 range. Just pay attention to that. But this is what I think's coming. I do believe we will eventually prevail and come back. Dead cat bounce. I'm going to get rid of it. There's too many drawings, too many things going on here. But that would be the dead cat bounce if we got rejected off the 37.3, 37.7, and did not come back. If we couldn't break through and get to the 50,000, 43,000, these are the levels. This is your little cheat sheet for Bitcoin. Pay attention. I do believe that low 20,000s are coming. So that's what scares me. That's what really gets me concerned. So if you caught the bottom of this video, the end of this video, congratulations for you. You're now understanding where we're going to go and what it's going to take. It's going to take about 18 months, 2024 for the Bitcoin halvings, the next Bitcoin halving, if I could be correct. So I don't know what to say. I'm pretty disappointed, kind of sad. For the first time, I usually don't show sad. I'm sad today, ladies and gentlemen. Do not like the chart. If you look 20,000, if you want to talk on the super chat with me, now is the time to do so before we get ready to go. I'm up here researching. I don't sleep. Crypto doesn't sleep, right? It moves nonstop, and right now it's one of those times you can sleep. Put some stop losses and things like that of that nature. It'll save you. During a crypto crash like this, there is a bottom somewhere. I don't care how good you are at technical analysis. Nobody's able to tell you where the bottom is on this particularly. If you look at this chart here and get rid of this indicator as we're getting tight and we're falling tighter, our waves were getting tight, we're flipping. It's kind of concerning because we're flipping to the downside. And I don't like the way this chart is looking. I really don't like the way, and I like the way I have that little elbow going up. But if you pay attention to the trend is your friend, ladies and gentlemen. We've not found a bottom yet, and perhaps we have 18 months of consolidation going on here. So I don't know what to tell you, but like I said, I'll say it and I'll repeat it one more time. Blockchain is a solution to so many things in this world. It's not going to go anywhere. The price may go down. What you need to do is get another job, bust your ass, and get moving. Start making some more money on the side. And add to this. Be part of the crypto total market cap. Add to this 1.2 trillion, ladies and gentlemen. If you are a part of this, because when it does go back to 3.5 trillion and the market cap moves and the price of crypto starts really gaining steam. Remember, you liked Bitcoin, right? Everybody liked Bitcoin at 67,000. Well, what don't you like now? You don't like it now. Why? Why don't you like Bitcoin now? Because it's all the way down going to here. Well, guess what? If you're going to be here in the next, I'll say 2 to 4 years, if you have plans on living in this world that we live in together as we watch this YouTube channel, you want to be part of the wolves, you hit the like, get the bell notification. Think about that. All these altcoins under 5 cents now, 4 cents for Harmony 1 token. They do Denver, Colorado 3D. Maybe you want to check it out. Maybe you think I'm kidding. Denver, Colorado 3D. Harmony 1 is part of the sponsor, and I'm trying to fly down because I do so many damn posts. It's not even on here. I had it on the Facebook page. There's a 3D. I want people to understand there's a 3D of Harmony token, and a gentleman is showing the NFT art of the 3D. It's going to be worth something. It's going to be a great asset. It's going to be the next generation. It's going to be the best things. What we're looking at on this weekly is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks in a row of Bitcoin going down. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? This will eventually stop. Perhaps the bottom is 25.3, as I have right here. So if you want Wall Street Pete to say, well, Pete, when would you say is the bottom? I'm going to say right about there. I believe that will take us 25 low. I believe that is when we will then bounce and we will then find prices of these magnitudes. Obviously, once we go down, before we get going, right? Once we go down to the 25,000 and we find our bottom, we will hit resistance back at this price. It's common sense. We will then have a little another cup and handle. As you can see, this is what we're forming on the charts. Cup and handles are wonderful. Probably hit it again, hit support. But then what will happen is there's your answer, there's your price, 37,000. Now this is when we're done. This is when we hit the bottom. Ladies and gentlemen, 9 effing weeks in a row down. How many times do you want to bet? It's like black and red at the roulette table, right? Can we be serious about this for a second? Now, these odds are horrible. It's a horrible analogy because that's not the way it works. Black and red is based off a 50-50 chance, right, except for the two greens. We're going down. We're going down. We're going down. Eventually, black is going to be the way up. Say it was green, right? This is going to be the way up. Point being is we're not going to keep going down. If you see the way it's coming to me, the tails are getting less and less significant. Every time I see big tails, it goes down. Here's another tail, and it goes down. It'll continue to make up. Well, it's going to make up for about this much of that tail, and then it's going to come through. I do believe this is Wall Street Pete. None of this is financial advice. Just a gentleman who used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange. And hey, I do love the Greg Street song. We're gonna have a good day. La-dee-da-da. Yeah, we're gonna have a good day. We're gonna have a great Memorial Weekend day. I hope you enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. As I say it backwards, right? We always do that. Wall Street Pete, gentleman who used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange here. Looking for my badge as we always do. You hit the like, you hit the subscribe. We talk about crypto, Bitcoin news. Every day I used to love coming into this place, which is now the Van Gogh Museum. Breaks my heart that that's what it is. I wish they would open it back up for crypto. Could you imagine they opened up this floor for cryptocurrency? Oh, wow. I would do it. Imagine you just call someone and make it. I don't know. I would much rather do it that way. I think it'd be fun. This brings the old times, the old ways together of how we used to trade. But now, hey, everything's digital, right? Bitcoin is digital. Understand everything's going to be digital one day. Money is going to be digital. I've been talking about this on my channel for probably some time, over years now. And people laughed at me. And some of the people I went to school with laughed harder, and it's okay. Then they came up to me and told me, you know what? I can't believe it, dude, but you're actually onto something. So take care, everyone. Please be safe. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. If we need to come through and talk about crypto, you already know. You hit the bell. You hit the all notification button. So if something catastrophic, something great starts coming into play, I'm going to do a video. I'll do it from my phone. I don't care. But we like to do it from the convenience of my office here, my little crypto sicto office, as you've been watching and you've been supporting. So please hit the like button. I appreciate everyone during these hard times. I understand it's been some hard times. You know what? You know how I know we're going to go up soon? That's how I know we're going to go up soon. Is every time Bitcoin gets boring, I lose subs. I lose subscribers. And then you know what happens every effing time? The price goes up. We get a big bounce, and I start gaining subscribers again. It just seems to be something that's happening. It shouldn't work that way. It's very unfortunate. But when you're not a big baller in the crypto space, driving Jaguars and Lamborghinis and Bugattis and things, people don't believe that you actually have crypto skills. So, well, I'm Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. A lot of people also ask, why do you spell it as sick, D-O-E? Well, the reason to that is because it was a lot shorter in the name. The D, if I spelt it as dough, D-O-U-G-H, it was a lot longer. Sick dough crypto. So a lot of people were asking me why I did that. We actually lost the sick dough logo up top. I have to put that back in. Everybody have a great day. Like I said, I'm just rambling on now, right? Let's cut it out. Take care. Be careful in the comment section. As you know, these people are brutal. They're trying to get information about you. Don't let them fish information off you. You will be upset. A lot of people I've even seen in some of the group chats, oh my gosh, all my money's gone. Yeah, it didn't disappear on its own. Have a great day. Take care.